Hello and welcome to the Music Bingo Card Generator Tutorial Series, where you'll learn how to turn any playlist into print-ready bingo cards in a matter of minutes. By the end of this series, you'll be able to manually create and import playlists, generate cards, and print branded PDFs. When you first download and run the app, you'll open a free trial which limits card generations to 8 cards and up to 10 PDF exports. In later modules, we'll also dive into how you can import Spotify and YouTube playlists. So let's get started.